If your body feels stiff from sitting, working, or simply waking up, this routine is perfect for you. It's for anyone who wants to loosen up, gain flexibility, and feel lighter in their movements. Let's take 5 minutes to honor your body, release tightness, and invite calmness into your day. No equipment is needed, just you, your mat, and the desire to feel amazing. You can do this routine in your living room, your bedroom, or even outside to soak in some fresh morning air. Most people would skip this step, but not you. Great work making time for self-care. I promise you by the end of this routine you'll feel calm, flexible, and ready to take on your day. Let's hit the mat. Let's begin with a seated forward fold to gently stretch your spine and hamstrings. Sit tall with your legs extended straight in front of you. Inhale deeply, reaching your arms toward the sky. Exhale as you hinge at your hips, reaching for your toes. If you can't reach, that's okay. Rest your hands on your shins or ankles. This stretch lengthens the spine, opens the hamstrings, and releases tension in the lower back. I promise by the end of this, your body will feel lighter and more aligned. Beginners can place a small bend in their knees to ease the stretch. Advanced movers can pull themselves deeper into the fold while maintaining a straight back. Slowly roll up, hugging one knee to your chest as we move into the next stretch. Now, let's open up your hips and ease your lower back with the knee to chest stretch. Lie flat on your back or sit tall. Hug your right knee toward your chest, keeping your left leg extended on the floor. Hold for 30 seconds, hugging your left knee in while your right leg stays extended. This stretch relieves tension in the lower back and hips, improving flexibility and alignment. I promise by the end of this, your hips will feel more open and relaxed. Beginners can keep the extended legs slightly bent for more comfort. Advanced movers can gently rock the bent knee side to side for an additional hip stretch. Roll onto your feet and rise into a standing position as we prepare for a dynamic flow. Let's energize the lower body with a dynamic forward fold and side lunge. Stand tall, inhale deeply, and exhale as you fold forward, reaching for your toes. Walk your hands to the right and sink into a side lunge, keeping your left leg extended. Flow back through the center and lunge to the left. Alternate sides for 1 minute, keeping your movement slow and steady. This stretch improves hamstring flexibility, strengthens the inner thighs, and boosts circulation. I promise by the end of this, your lower body will feel awake and powerful. Beginners can keep the lunges shallow and use their hands for balance. Advanced stretchers can sink deeper into the lunges for a more intense stretch. Slowly return to the center and sit back down for a figure 4 stretch. Time to target those tight hips and glutes with a figure 4 stretch. Sit tall with both feet flat on the ground. Cross your right ankle over your left thigh, forming a 4 shape. Flex your right foot and gently press your knee down to deepen the stretch. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch sides. This stretch loosens tight hip flexors and glutes, relieving pressure in the lower back. By the end of the stretch, you'll feel a noticeable release in your hips. Beginners can keep their hands on the floor behind them for support. Advanced movers can lean forward slightly to deepen the stretch. Release the stretch, kneel tall, and prepare for a beautiful chest opener to finish. Let's finish with a stretch that opens up your chest and shoulders, leaving you standing taller and breathing deeper. Kneel tall or stand. Clasp your hands behind your back, pulling your hands down toward the floor as you lift your chest and chin. Breathe deeply, expanding your chest with every inhale and relaxing your shoulders with every exhale. This stretch counteracts slouching, opens the chest, and enhances posture. I promise by the end of this, you'll feel taller, lighter, and more confident in your body. Beginners can use a towel or strap if clasping their hands is uncomfortable. Advanced stretchers can hold the stretch longer while focusing on deeper breaths. Release your hands gently and bring yourself to a standing position, taking a deep breath to close. Beautiful work, fam. You've stretched your spine, opened your hips, and energized your body for the day ahead. You've already won the day just by showing up and being here. Make sure to share this flow with a friend who could use a little morning movement. And don't miss out the free gift waiting for you in the description. It's packed with the tools to help you level up your wellness journey. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.